Hello everybody, welcome to our 2015 Trader Challenge. I know we've been talking about this for some time now, but now that you guys have pretty much been through the course, it's a great opportunity for us to get in the deep end and feel what it's like to actually put our newly learned skills and abilities to the test. And this is just a little video to round it all up. It's due to start tomorrow, so we're going to be running it literally through from the 28th of September all the way through to Friday, close of play the 4th of December. Okay guys, so you can start anytime tomorrow, and I'll show you in a minute what you got to do to basically make things happen. But we're going to run from the 28th of September, we're going to run all the way through to the 4th of December, guys, and I need that weekend. So once you guys have all your homework done on that date, you know, wherever your trades are at, etc., we'll take that score at that point, even if you still have trades running. But we'll close things off and I'll do the homework over that weekend, and I'll announce the actual winner through the middle of the following week on about the Wednesday. Okay, so 28th, that's tomorrow, all the way through the 4th of December. That's the beginning of our 2015 Trader Challenge, and it's open to anybody that's actually trained with me, so the old guys and the new guys combined. And simple enough, guys. Great opportunity for us to all see what everybody is capable of, and what we've all learnt. Now, admittedly, guys, I'm going to just put a little caveat in here. For those of you new, I know this seems like it's a competition, and that's, you know, it makes, I guess, the blood boil or temperature rise slightly inside of you, and you want to basically get out and be a winner. But the one thing that I will tell you is rather to try and prove to me that you're capable of being a good trader rather than trying to be a winner. Okay, because this is not a game, or shall I say, a competition of points. This is not about how many points you score. This is me trying to identify with you that you are able to follow a plan and you can trade consistently in line with, I guess, your methodology that you have chosen. Okay, so that'll be your setup. Okay, what valid setups you're basically taking, how you're taking them, the quality of the setup, how you're managing your trades, how you're setting up your targets, you know, your risk profiles, and how you're locking in your profits and eventually making yourself profitable. Okay, so that's really what we're really aiming at here, all in all, is to see how good you are at trading. Okay, admittedly, there will be bonus points for those of you that are able to rack up some good trade, because there's no point in snubbing that, because after all, we are here to make money. So you know, there will be that taken into consideration. But the main focus here, guys, as I said right from the word go, is to prove to me that you're a good trader, that you can trade in line with your trading plan. Okay, so kicking off tomorrow, simply enough, this is what you guys have got to do. Just send me a mail or give me a call, either way, basically saying that you will be taking part. Okay, you need to give me consent to send your email address so that to the other participants, they're going to take place. I need to know that within this first week, guys. Just give me a steer that you're going to take part. After that, one of the next parameters that you need to be aware of, we're going to trade a £50,000 demo account. Okay, so open your demo account, load up the full £50,000, and we're going to trade using that full equity curve for this competition. Okay, so you're going to need to line yourself accordingly. Now, whether you want to choose 1% per trade, 2% per trade, that's all up to you. Once again, I'm going to basically evaluate that basically on the information that you send me at the end of each week. You can trade any time frame you like. I don't mind. You want to do the daily, you want to do the weekly, you want to do the monthly even. I don't mind. Okay, 240. Maybe you want to do some intraday stuff. It's up to you. Remember, all in all, you're going to be collecting the information and sending it through to us, and we're going to basically, or I will be marking it and basically keeping track of how it's going and what's defined as suitable. Okay. All trades need to be captured in photographs. So every time you take a trade, guys, take a snapshot of your screen. It's quite simple. All you do is you get your screen up. Let's just say it's a daily chart, and you decide that this breakout is your trade. Okay, so all you can either do once you're on the screen now is either push Alt and print screen, or I think there is actually a screen capture tool up top here in your file section here. Copy, save as image. Okay, click on save as image, copy it to a file, and then what you need to do for me is I'm going to send you out a little template, and you'll see this template's a Word document, and it looks a little bit like this. Okay guys, so you'll see here, put your name here, so Alistair Bruce for example, then put on there trade 1. In this case it would be pound, but this is an old copy here that you can have a look at. So euro yen, daily time frame, name of trade, pivot trade. Okay, so I was playing the pivot running through the center of this counter trend setup over here, as you can see, and that was on the date of the 23rd of January. So that's the trade. Copy it into there, and then that's what we've got to see. We can see exactly where you've entered. There's your entry over there, there's your stops up top there, there's your target 1s, and there's your target 2s. Easy enough, nice and simple, guys. Okay, so you need to do that for every single one of your trades. So have your Word document open, take a snapshot of your screen, copy and paste it into your Word document here, Okay, and that's how we'll track it on the one side. On the other side, you take then the metrics. You can do this at the end of each week, wherever it goes, at the end of each trade. I'll send you the spreadsheet as well, guys. You got your position sizing template on the first tab. On your second tab, you just got this. So whether you're trading one or two trades, if you trade only one trade, then you might as well just leave the T2s out, make that a zero, make that a zero. It's going to compile this information the same, but as you can see, it's been set to 50,000. So record your pair, record the date, up and down, so buy or sell, entry information, stop information, target information. Okay, obviously the picture is going to tell me where you were predicting to get your targets, but this is going to track what you actually do get. Okay, so fill in the information that you do eventually get, that you get filled at, and that you get basically taken out the market at. And then obviously your position sizing. So I'm going to leave that to you. You can choose your equity curve is 50,000, and you can choose what size position size you're going to do on each one of your trades, and we're going to track it from there onwards. Important, name the trade. So in this case, it would have been pivot, daily pivot trade. So daily pivot trade. There we go, nice and easy. And any comments you want to make, it's up to you. Okay, you might want to make some notes there for me or yourself, and you can make it there. You could say maybe it's a variable of a potential new downward moving average pendulum trade, whatever. You know, it's up to you. So that's just there for notes, and even I'll use it in the future going forward to do some of your scoring. So there we go. Those are the two things you've got to fill in for each of your trades. Now, at the end of each week, that is Saturday, Sunday morning at the latest, guys. Okay, you all have to send out your trading information to those participants that are taking place. Now, no point sending it out to those people that are not taking part in it. So the guys that choose not to take part in it, okay, that's fair enough. But those guys that are taking part in it, I'll send you an email with everybody's details on it, and you will send out trades. We will send out trades to each other, and we can basically be accountable to each other for our trading information. So easy enough. So take a photograph, copy metrics into your trade tracker, and then both documents named with your name on it. Okay, and that includes the front end of it. Put your name on it as well, and send it out to me at the end of every week so we can keep a track of it. Here's as I said previously, what we previously or briefly what I was saying that I was be marking this competition on, okay, is strategy parameters. So trade type and setup quality. That's one of the big things. I want to see that you're actually able to take high quality setups, and see what you're really looking at and how you're defining your setups. Position sizing, obviously all the metrics and all the parameters are associated with how you take care of your risk and money management. Methodology, the skills that you're adopting to actually manage your trades, how you're getting in, how you basically locking your profits, how you're managing your losses, etc. Consistency, so how systematic you are and how objective you are about taking your trades. That's all part and parcel of trading. And also success ratios. In theory, like I said, those that are profitable, obviously you want to get benefit to those people that are able to make profits, but at the same time as to make sure that you actually are doing things in line with a smooth and good setup. Okay, so in summary, make sure you're trading well. I guess at the end of the day, that's just to round it all up. Focus on being a good trader. That's what I want to see. And for those of you that are going to, well, for that person of us that is going to be the lucky winner this year, I'll give you a lovely bottle of champagne in December. The middle of that week, we'll get together somewhere in town and have a little catch up and have a little bit of rambles about our trading year and how things have gone. A great opportunity to swap some information, and I'll hand this over to you at the winner, their champagne at that stage. I'll also give you a 2-hour one-to-one trading session. Okay, so if you guys want some coaching, you want to brush up on some skills, you want to run through anything, I'll give you 2 hours of my time. We can do that. And at the same time, as you get to be crowned the notorious TSN Trader Challenge Champion of 2015, or to follow amongst those other great heroes of our time. Okay, guys, that is as simple as it needs to be. So good luck to you all. Stay focused, be patient, and be consistent. All the best. Cheers.